In this video, we are going to be discussing financial mistakes that can keep you poor forever. And also, I'm going to be telling you how you can avoid these common pitfalls in order for you to achieve financial freedom. Welcome once again to my page. My name is Rita Onoha. Let's dive into what we have. I'm going to be discussing 10 financial mistakes that can keep you poor if you don't avoid them. So the first thing we are looking at is living beyond your means. Spending more than you earn leads to financial struggles. Many people finance a lifestyle that they can't afford through debt, trapping them in cycle of poverty. You cannot just live above your means and you become rich. Many persons are living a fake life. They are living to appease your friends, to please people, and end up in debt just to maintain their standard they have set for them, which their income cannot ascertain. So, what is the solution for you to live within your means? Number one thing you need to do is to track your income and expenses. Know how much that comes in and know how much you are spending. Number two is that you're going to create a budget. Don't spend money anyhow. Budget all your expenses so that you track where money is going to and how you are spending your money. Then number three, avoid unnecessary debt. We are still going to talk about debt in future of this video. Avoid unnecessary debt to live within your means. That is number one. Number two, we are going to be talking about not having savings or investments. Investing. Without savings, you are always one emergency away from financial disaster. Failing to invest means missing out on wealth growth through compounding. If you are not saving, you are 1 inch away from disaster financially. No matter how little you earn, it is advised that you set up some percentage of your income to save it or you invest it in where it's safe. What is the solution to this? Save a portion of your income every month. Set aside some percentage of whatever that is coming to you as your income. Set aside some percentage of it and save. Number two, invest in stocks, real estate, or businesses that are profitable. Invest in stocks, invest in money market, invest in different stocks and bonds and all of that. Also, build an emergency fund. Set aside a particular amount of money that can cater for your 3 to 6 months of expenses. This applies to those that are working. If you are working, it is advised that you set aside some money for emergency fund. If anything happens to your job, you can still live your normal life in the next 3 to 6 months. So have this saving culture and also invest wisely. Number three is relying on a single source of income. Depending only on your salary is risky. Job loss or economic downturns can leave you with no money to survive. If you are a 9 to 5 worker and that's all you have, it's advised that you look for other side hustles, other source of income, because having just your salary and waiting till the end of the month for you to get paid is kind of it's not going to make you rich. And if anything happens to your job, you are far from being a rich person. So what is the solution to this? Develop simple multiple income stream. Set aside other income. Set up some income streams. It could be an offline business or online business. Find something to do aside of your main income. Learn new skills for financial opportunity and explore passive income sources. Go on YouTube, go on online and search for other passive income. If you want me to make a video on passive income, you can do as a 9 to 5 worker or even as a business person or a student. Comment in the section. I will make a video on passive income you can do alongside with your job. So relying on one source of income is a very big mistake and it can drain you in no time. So the next one is ignoring financial education. Lack of financial literacy lead to poor decision, such as bad investment, excessive debt, and failing to plan for the future. If you are not financially educated, you will be a victim of many financial mistakes. So, what are you supposed to do to be financially educated? Number one thing you need to do is that you're going to read books on finances. If possible, buy courses, take courses that teach you more of financial management and follow financial experts on social media pages and learn from them from distance. Number two is that you're going to learn about budgeting, investing, and wealth building strategies. You're going to learn how to build your wealth, how to manage your wealth. And it's one thing for you to make money, and it's another thing for you to manage it. And when you are not financially educated, you cannot manage your wealth well. So, one thing you should do for yourself is to invest in learning how to manage and build wealth. Number three, surround yourself with financially knowledgeable people. Surround yourself with people that are financially knowledgeable, that will teach you on different ways to make money and how to manage it. So be educated financially in order for you not to be a victim of poverty. Number five thing you need to do is number five thing you should avoid doing is accumulating bad debt. Taking loans for consumer goods, luxury items, or non-essential expenses keeps you in a financial bondage. High interest debt drains your income. It baffles me where some persons just to borrow money to buy a wig or buy clothes. It's not a good financial decision. You take debt for businesses that will yield in more income that you can use to pay off the debt and still have some income for yourself. So don't accumulate bad debt. So solution to this is avoid borrowing for things that do not generate income. Just like I said, some girls will go and borrow money to buy wig, to buy phone. What for? Is those things making money for you? If you next time when you want to borrow money for someone or from somebody, ask yourself the question, this money I'm going to borrow now, is it going to make me more money? If it's not going to make you more money, don't borrow it. Excuse me. Make do with what you have. Number two is pay off high interest debt quickly. You know, some debt has high interest. The more you allow it to take time, it compounds, and the higher the interest, the more money you are going to pay. Excuse me. So when you have debt that has high interest, do all you can to pay it quickly and use debt strategically for access like real estate and businesses. Don't go and borrow money for fun. Borrow money for businesses and real estate. It will yield back the income. All right. So, having followed or having watched this video to this point, and you are gaining value, I will want you to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification button for you to get notified next time when I post a video like this. Let's continue. Number six things that can make you poor is failing to plan for a retirement. Many people delay saving for retirement and end up struggling financially in old age, relying only on pension or social security may not be enough. Most parents at their old age, because they didn't plan, they become a burden to their children. I'm not saying that it's a bad thing for parents to rely on their children, but when you plan your retirement, you will not bother people at your old age. So that is why you should start investing on a retirement as early as possible. Contribute to retirement account and develop a long-term financial plan. All right, so that when you are getting old, you have what you have saved up for yourself for your old age. The seventh thing we are going to be looking at is not having financial goal. Without clear financial goals, you may spend aimlessly and never progress towards wealth creation. Goal help you to be disciplined. If you are not financially goal, let's assume at the beginning of the year, said at the end of the year, I should have so amount in my account. What are your goals? Do you have your monthly goals? Oh, this is how much I should make this month. Then you drive it. There's a force that will drive you to achieve that target you have set for yourself. So, what is the solution to having financial goals? Is set long term, short term, medium term financial goals. You can say in this week I'm going to save $5. I'm going to save $50. I'm going to do this. I'm going to make up this. So these are short-term goals. Then at the end of the year, I should have so amount of money in my account. That is long-term goals. Break them into actionable steps with deadlines. This will help you to stay disciplined and for you to achieve what you have set for yourself. And in regular basis, always review and adjust your goals so that you can attain them. The eighth thing we are going to be avoiding is falling for get rich quick scheme. Scams and unrealistic investment opportunity almost often promise quick money but lead to financial losses. Many people chase fast money instead of building wealth. There is no quick money anywhere. You build wealth. That is the difference between wealth creation and get quick stream. There are a lot of Ponzi schemes out there, and many persons are lazy to do the job. So they always fall for this Ponzi scheme and end up losing the little money they have. So the solution to this is avoid pyramid scheme and too good to be true investment. Some persons want where they will invest 5,000 today, in next 3 minutes it has turned to 15,000. That is Ponzi scheme. What work did you put in that will bring in that money that you are trying to invest? So any scheme, any investment that does not require you to put in work and does not have a good strategy on how you may earn that money is a quick get rich scheme. Avoid it. Focus on sustainable wealth building strategies. Build your wealth, don't chase it. Don't fall for quick get screen. And before you invest in anything, do your research. Before you invest in any scheme on any investment, you have Google, you have YouTube. Ask questions so that you not fall a victim to these quick get rich scheme and Ponzi schemes. All right, so let's move on. The ninth thing you should avoid also is failing to network and building relationships. Building relationships. Opportunity often comes from connection. If you isolate yourself, you limit your chances of financial growth. Build your network. They say your network is your net worth. So network with people, network with like-minded people, network with people that have the same goal and ambition with you. And you see yourself becoming financially intelligent. Surround yourself with successful and financially intelligent people. They will build you up. They will help you achieve that your goal. Attend networking events and business forum. You can't learn on isolation. Network to people, attend events, be it online, offline, in your city. Go for events where they talk about wealth creation. It will help you to build good relationship and connection to people that matters in the society. Also, seek for mentorship for successful from successful individuals. No man is an island. If you see someone that is doing better than you, or you see a mentor, a man that align his goals or his life align with yours, Approach the person for mentorship. If requires you to pay, pay and gain what they know. It will help you in life. Then the last one here is ignoring your health. Your health is your wealth. Poor health can lead to expensive mental medical bills, forcing you into debt or draining your savings. Many people ignore preventive health care and then suffer financially. As you are also chasing money, as you are also putting in your best to make more money for yourself, to live the life of your dream, pay attention to your health. Pay attention to your health. Go for a medical check. Prioritize your healthy lifestyle. Eat good food. Exercise. Take a walk. Pay attention to your health, because if you make all the money you are making endangering your health, you still spend all the money you have made to maintain your health. So it's wise that you maintain your health while you chase your money, so that you can invest your money in other things rather than maintaining your health in hospitals. So get health insurance and save for medical emergencies. So all these 10 things I have listed here, talking about ranging from taking care of your health, avoiding Ponzi scheme, not having savings, and all of that, you should have known that these are the mistakes many people make, and they end up in bondage of poverty. So learn to avoid these 10 things, and you see yourself skyrocketing your finances. I thank you for watching to the end. For more videos, I would like you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're going to be learning a lot from here on how to make money, how to do a lot of things online. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once more, thanks for watching this video to the end. Till I come your way next. Bye for now. Thank you.